Hello everyone, and welcome to the lesson, day 1 of volume of a cone, cylinder, or sphere. Alright, so I think I said on the screencast for the intro lesson, what you want to do is when you're working on a problem, you want to write out the formula first. So let's take a look at number 1. If we read the problem, the diameter of the cone is 5 feet. Well, the formula calls for radius. Radius is 2.5. So the volume is 1/3 pi r squared times height. So the volume is 1/3 times pi times 2.5 squared times 10. Now you have a calculator problem, and you just put it in the calculator. Make sure you use the pi button, okay? And it says to the nearest cubic foot, so the volume is 65 feet cubed, or cubic feet, okay? Now if it says you to round your answer, then you're going to round your answer, and you can use your pi button. If the problem does not say to round, and there is one problem here that doesn't say, it just says find the volume, then you're going to leave it in terms of pi, okay? So let's take a look at number 4. Now number 4, you've got a slant height of 13 here. The circumference of the base is 10 pi. So the diameter of the base is 10, so the radius is 5. So this is 5, okay? The altitude is perpendicular to the base. So now you have a Pythagorean theorem problem because you have to find the height. Okay? You need to find the height before you can find the volume. So it's Pythagorean theorem, so 5 squared plus h squared equals 13 squared. So 25 plus h squared equals 169. H squared is 144, and your height is 12. Now you have everything you need for the volume formula. Volume is 1/3 pi r squared times height. I'm going to leave that for you to finish, but it is possible to come across a problem like that where you've got a slant height and you've got to figure out the altitude. So this is the lesson, day 1 of the volume of a cone, cylinder, and sphere. So everybody have a good day. This lesson was brought directly to you from my dining room table.